Hi everyone, welcome to my pixel art tutorial. Today, I'm going to teach you the next level of rock creation. Basically, this is a part 2, so if you haven't seen the first part, you can check out the link below. For those who are seeing this for the first time, don't worry, let's have a quick recap from previous video. So, to create a simple rock, all you need to do is following this simple step I made. First, create a silhouette of a rock. Second, draw the top surface. Third, give shadow at the side of the rock. The more shadow of the color shade you paint, the more detail you have. Fourth, or the last one, create a highlights at the edge of the top surface. In this way, you will have a shiny, sharp rock looking. And if you're concerned about the color, you can change it by using the hue saturation with a selection tool or pressing the shortcut key Ctrl U. Next, to make it interesting, we create some cracks for it. Using the midtone of the rock, we draw on the top surface like spreading star, and then put some shadow inside so it will have a depth separation from the body. Lastly, if you like to make it even more interesting, in this part, basically you can experiment with something to cover the rock on top. In this case, I'm using moss and grass. At first, I paint the moss at the side and the middle like spreading around. Feel free to change moss color if you like. And this is entirely optional if you want some shadow or some highlights on it. To add the grass, I draw them on the edge of the rock around so they will look more alive and rise from the rock surface. Here is the final result, and also I decided to draw some more possible outcomes so you can see some experiment ideas. That's all from my tutorial. I hope you like this content that I'm making, and leave a comment below or subscribe to the channel to see more like this in the future. And I will see you on the next one.